In this video, I'm going to teach you how to AirPlay on Samsung TV Series 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using AirPlay from any iOS device onto a Samsung TV is extremely simple. Even though I'm going to be talking about the Samsung TV Series 5 specifically, this process will also work with any other Samsung TV model that you have. So to do this, first head over into the settings on the Samsung TV, so open the menu, choose Settings, and then select All Settings once more. Once you go inside of the settings, access the connection category at the left. Now, in here, you have to make sure that the same Wi-Fi network is being used on the TV and the iPhone. So if you haven't set up a Wi-Fi network, or if you are using a different one on one of the devices, go over to the network options and change it. So make sure that the same Wi-Fi network is configured on both of them. With this done, go over to Apple AirPlay settings. So select the connection category and then you will find Apple AirPlay settings. In here, make sure that the option is enabled to begin with. So enable Apple AirPlay. And once it has been enabled, you can configure the option to request a code. Usually, you only need a code for the first time, but if you prefer, you can set it to request for subsequent times as well. Now, on your iPhone, as long as you are on the same network as the TV, swipe down from the top to showcase the control center and then tap on this icon here. This will show the screen mirroring options, and from the list, you can choose your Samsung TV as long as you are in close proximity of it. So select your Samsung TV from the list. It might request a code like I mentioned before, so copy the passcode from the TV onto your iPhone. And upon doing this, it is going to remain connected. So anything being displayed on your iPhone or your iOS device like an iPad will be mirrored over to the TV. You can now open YouTube, Netflix, open the Photos app, watch videos, anything that you like, and the screen will be mirrored over right away. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. So if you subscribe, you can help us from the channel achieve higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.